How to fill out the arrival, the departure and noon reports. All three reports have basically the same structure. They contain multiple pages. You can go to the next or previous page by using the arrows here. All red marked fields are mandatory fields. When you click on the question marks, a window with the help text will pop up. First, enter the timestamp for which the report is valid. This is done in the End of Reporting field. You can choose between shift time and UTC. The first three pages contain the data fields necessary to be reported for your vessel greenhouse gas reporting. The required data contain information about distance sailed, cargo on board, fuel remaining on board and consumption. It is important that consumption and distances that are reported always refer to the previous report. This can be an arrival, departure or the last noon report. Page number 4 allows the user to enter data related to electrical power and fuel consumption. This data corrects, respectively improves the ship carbon intensity factor, also known as CII. Open a report, go to page 4. Click right in the table and select Edit. A new window will open. On top you see multiple tabs for entering electrical energy used for reefer container. For cargo cooling or reliquefaction, this tab applies for gas carriers only. For electrical discharge pump, this tab applies for tankers only. For boiler and for steam-driven and other discharge pumps, this tab also applies for tankers only. For reefer containers, enter the number of containers on board or enter the measured energy consumed. On the right, enter the vessel's SFOC form, the technical file, or choose the engine type from the drop-down. When done, click OK to save the CII corrections. On the last page you'll find data input fields that your company requires. For instance, performance data, other liquids, or residues on board, consumption and so forth. All entries marked in red are mandatory. Once you've finished with the data entries, click on Save as New, respectively update when you edited an already existing report.